Welcome to the JDisk Discovery video channel. My name is Robbie, and today I would like to introduce to you the basic features of the new web user interface. For starters, we need to open the user interface in a browser. You can use any of the supported browsers, like recent versions of Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Just open your favorite browser and type the address of the JDisk Discovery server. The installation of the software includes a self-signed certificate. Browsers issue warnings similar to the following when self-signed certificates are detected. You can accept the risk to continue. If you did not see this warning, either you have already added an exception for this specific certificate or you have already replaced the self-signed certificate with a properly signed one. Use your login credentials to log in. After successful login, you are redirected to the overview page of the application. Before we start with the overview page, let's have a look at the navigation options. On your left, you can see the main menu, which navigates you to different sections of the application. You can collapse this menu if you would like. On the top, you can see a breadcrumb, which always shows you the current path. You can click on it in order to navigate the application, similar to the navigation menu. Let's have a look at the overview section. This section gives you a quick insight of your discovered IT landscape. The overview page includes by default a couple of interactive charts. Charts can be rearranged to achieve a better dashboard layout. The layout is persisted in the user preferences and is restored when you revisit the application. Charts can be also adjusted in order to optimally fit your needs and present your data in a better way. Furthermore, charts can be completely deleted in case you do not want them anymore. The result is permanent and you will have to recreate them. Additionally, charts can be minimized so that you can use the entire screen space to focus on other charts. Finally, you can add your custom charts based on different types of reports. In order to add a new chart in the dashboard, just click on the new chart icon and follow the wizard. The wizard allows you to give charts a title, add a legend, add filters, select data dimensions, aggregate values, pose limits, and many more options, as well as preview the results before you save the chart. All charts can be shared with your colleagues. In order to share a chart, click on the export icon. The downloaded chart definition can be sent to your colleagues. The chart definition that you exported can be imported by clicking on the import chart icon and following the wizard. You can always reset the dashboard to the defaults. On your top left vertical menu, select the Reset Dashboard action. The default charts are restored and repositioned to the default positions, along with your custom charts that you might have added. Let's have a look now at the scanner section. On the top of the screen, like in every JDisk dashboard, there is a dashboard toolbar. In the vertical menu, you can find among others also the Reset Dashboard action. At the toolbar you can find the Discover Device icon button to quickly initiate a device discovery. As the development of the new user interface progresses, more functionality will be added, like the Ping IP ranges action, the Discovery Settings dialog, and many more. Below the toolbar, you can find the device discovery's current status. At the moment the discovery is running. Right below that, there is the Discovery Jobs dashboard item, which is fixed. That means it cannot be moved or minimized. With this item you can quickly check the status of each and every discovery job. You can start and stop one or more discovery jobs from item toolbar, as well as you can check the schedule of a job. The schedule is read only at the moment, its settings which are also read only at the moment, and the discovery job logs in case the need arises for troubleshooting. Right next to the toolbar actions, you can find, like in most tables, a search field where you can search for discovery jobs, either by name or by status or by whatever discovery job attribute presented on the table interests you most. You can select to hide specific columns or you can resize some of them in order to customize the table to your needs. The table settings are persistent as user preferences, so that when you come back to the application you can start from where you have left. Like in many other JDisk tables, you can select a row just by clicking on it, or you can select a range of rows by clicking on the first row of the range and while holding the Shift key click on the last row of the range. Or you can select specific rows by holding the Control key and clicking on these rows. When you hover over a row, you can see the description, if any, at the pop-up tooltip. You can also bring the Discovery Job Details dialog by double-clicking a discovery job row. Finally, you can bring up the context menu by right-clicking on a discovery job row. As you can see, this dashboard item is using our table component, whose behavior is similar throughout the application. While the discovery job is running, the rest of the dashboard items are already showing some more details. The device discovery status, for instance, is showing how many IPs are concurrently scanned by the discovery server and how many remain to be scanned, the discovery speed, and the total devices that have been found so far. You can click on the number of devices, or you can click on the details button to see which devices exactly are being scanned at the moment and the device queue. This was the first part of this video series where I have explained the basics of accessing the web UI and navigating, the overview section as well as the scanner section. In the next video, I will present the reporting and the administration sections of the application, along with some common tips and tricks of the new user interface. In the meanwhile, take the opportunity to navigate around and get familiar with the new design. And please do not forget, we are always happy to support you or get feedback from you, whether positive or negative, and share with us your ideas about how to improve the software. Thank you for watching this video and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channels. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.